Hi, today I'm going to show you how to insert citations into a Microsoft Office 2007 document. The process is the same for a 2010 document, however, I do not believe it's on earlier versions of Microsoft Office. Okay, so here we are. I've just written some information. Actually, I copied some information from Wikipedia that is on the cotton gin. Now, this information is a direct quote, so first of all, I have to put it in quotations. And next what I have to do is I have to now cite this information. If I don't cite it, it's called plagiarism, and that is not a good thing to do. So, first what I have to do is go up to where it says References. So I'm going to click the References tab, and then I'm going to click where it says Insert Citation. Now, because this is the first citation I'm adding onto this document, I have to add a new source. After I've done this, and if I use the same source again, it will be listed here. But I'm going to add a new source for this video. So as it comes up, it says type of source. Under this drop down arrow, there are many different sources to choose from that it will help you to format it correctly. So I'm going to just click website. Now, first thing it says is author. So let me go over to the Wikipedia page for the cotton gin, and here we are at Wikipedia. Now, if I do a quick look, I do not see anywhere a author. A lot of websites don't give author credit, especially a Wikipedia page or a wiki, because they have many different authors. So we're not going to worry about an author most of the time for websites. If you can find an author, that's even better, but it's not really necessary. Now this information here, this page was last modified on 5 February 2013. That's important information. Now I'm going to just remember that for a moment. I'm going to go back to Microsoft Word. That information goes right here. Year, month, date. That is the information that we have to put here. It's when it was last fixed or last edited. So I'm going to add that information, and the day was 25. Year accessed, month accessed, and day accessed is the date in which you went on the website. So today is 2013. It's March, and it is the 19th. The URL, and I'll come back to this stuff in a moment. The URL is simply the web address. So I would go back to there, and I could copy the web address from right up top, and then paste the URL right here. Now, name of web page and name of web site. A lot of people get that confused. The name of the web page is right here, cotton gin. So I'm going to just copy it, make my life a little bit easier. Name of web page goes right here. Name of website, in this case, is Wikipedia. So I'm going to go on here, and again, from Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. So copy that. And I'm going to paste it in here. So now this is all the information I have. I don't know an author, but all the other information is here. So now that I'm done, I'm going to click OK. Now, as you can tell, it puts the citation right after the quote. If you use a quotation, it has to go right after the quote. If you don't use a quotation, but you got your information from a certain place, it should go at the end of the paragraph. So let's say we're done with our work, and now we want to add a bibliography. So again, under the References tab, there is Bibliography. So I'm going to click that drop down, and it's going to give me two choices. It's going to give me Bibliography or Works Cited. It really depends on what you're doing to justify the difference. I'm going to say Works Cited because I'm citing different pieces of work for this written piece. But a bibliography is also okay. A bibliography you would normally use if you weren't necessarily citing different things, but you used it as references. Works Cited would be obviously pieces of work that you cited from. So I'm going to click that. Now if you notice, it already formats it. It puts all the information that you put into Microsoft Word, and it formats it correctly based on the APA formatting rules. Makes your life a lot easier, assuming that you have this later version, of Microsoft Office. I'm hopeful that this helps you, and if you have any other questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks.